Hello guys, it's Sitra. You watch Magic Pinkoo Art. Today we draw easy, simple but different type of shapes. Let's start. Pentagon shape, heart shape, rhombus shape, circle shape, parallelogram, semicircle. It's color time. Pentagon inside color is red color. Heart inside color is pink color. Rhombus inside color is green color. Light green. Circle inside color is brown color. Parallelogram inside color is green color. I love painting so much. Semicircle inside color is orange color. Ta-da! So guys, thanks to keep watching, like, share and subscribe my channel. It's magic time.
3, 2, 1.
Bye bye, take care.